Join me as I dive into Simnett's top nutrition secrets and see if I can follow them for an entire week. Plant-based eating is all about making conscious choices to fuel our bodies with whole, nutrient-dense foods, and Simnett Nutrition is at the forefront of this movement. By focusing on plant-based eating, we're not only doing our bodies a favor, but we're also contributing to a more sustainable future for our planet. It's a win-win, and I'm excited to dive deeper into the world of Simnett Nutrition and uncover the secrets that make it so effective. One of the biggest misconceptions about plant-based diets is that they're protein deficient. I've heard people say, "But where do you get your protein from?" Or "I couldn't possibly give up meat, I need it for energy." The truth is, plant-based sources of protein are abundant, from legumes and beans to nuts and seeds. The key is to vary your diet and make sure you're consuming a balanced mix of these protein-rich foods. But the reality is, plant-based eating is all about creativity and exploration. There are so many delicious and innovative plant-based alternatives out there, from vegan cheeses to veggie burgers that are just as tasty as their meat-based counterparts. Some people might be hesitant to adopt a plant-based diet because they think it's too expensive. Organic produce is so pricey, or "I could never afford all those fancy plant-based milks." But the truth is, plant-based eating can be incredibly cost-effective. By focusing on whole, seasonal foods and making a few clever swaps, you can create delicious and nutritious meals on a budget. And then there's the myth that plant-based diets are somehow less filling or satisfying. I've heard people say, "I need meat to feel full," or "I could never give up dairy, I love cheese too much." But the reality is, plant-based foods can be incredibly filling and satisfying, from hearty bowls of lentil soup to rich and creamy plant-based curries. At the heart of Simnett Nutrition are a few key principles that set it apart from other approaches to healthy eating. By eating whole, unprocessed foods, we're giving our bodies the nutrients they need to thrive. This means skipping the packaged snacks and focusing on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. By eating a wide range of different foods, we're ensuring that we're getting a broad spectrum of nutrients. This means trying new things, experimenting with different cuisines, and making sure we're not getting stuck in a rut. Adequate nutrient intake is also crucial. By making sure we're getting enough of the key vitamins and minerals, we're supporting our overall health and well-being. This means paying attention to our iron and zinc levels, making sure we're getting enough omega-3 fatty acids, and being mindful of our vitamin B12 intake. One of the biggest secrets of Simnett Nutrition is the power of simple meal prep. By taking just a few hours each week to prep a few key ingredients, we can set ourselves up for success and make healthy eating a breeze. Try cooking a big batch of brown rice or quinoa, roasting a tray of vegetables, or making a big pot of lentil soup. This way we can grab and go and make healthy eating a part of our busy lives. Another secret is the importance of food combining. By pairing different foods together, we can unlock their full nutritional potential. Try combining healthy fats with protein sources or pairing complex carbohydrates with fiber-rich vegetables. This way we can maximize our nutrient intake and support our overall health. Simnett Nutrition is all about simplicity and practicality. By focusing on a few key principles and making a few simple swaps, we can transform our approach to eating and health. It's not about drastic changes or extreme restrictions, but about making conscious choices that support our overall well-being. In today's video, we've covered some of the key secrets of Simnett Nutrition, from the importance of whole foods and variety to the power of simple meal prep and food combining. By incorporating these principles into our daily lives, we can experience the incredible benefits of plant-based eating for ourselves. Thanks for joining me on this journey into Simnett Nutrition. If you want to learn more about plant-based meal planning and get access to some delicious recipes, be sure to check out my next video where we'll be diving deeper into the world of plant-based cooking. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite plant-based tips and tricks are.